Morning, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Wayneo's Rod House. I'll show you the way I oil a reel if I don't want to tear it down and really give it a good cleaning. You unscrew your drag knob here. Just a little quick lube job. That's all it is. Once you get that off, I know it's going to be dirty, but I just giving you a demonstration of what I do is I run that all the way up there like that. Take the cap off the oil. Can't get no oil out of there. Drop me a little oil, just a couple of drops. Drop me, see that hole right there? Drop me a little oil in the hole. And I run that up and down. Get that oil in there. Now this is a gear. This gear right here is supposed to get a little grease, but I'm not going to do that. And take my oil and get this little bale right here because there's a little bearing. Flip it over. Drop a little oil in the crack right here. Flip this bale back and forth. Just kind of work it in. Like so. The thing is smooth for as dirty as it is. See this here? This is your handle. It's what holds the handle to the reel. Just give that an unscrew like so. Well, if the thing is, some of them are pretty long-winded, pull that out, pull your handle off, drop a little oil down in here, like so, flip it over, do the same thing. You got a little bearing in here, a little gear. Set your handle back in. Screw that back down. Don't screw it down all the way yet. Just kind of screw it down a little bit. Take this right here where it folds over. Drop a little oil in there. Tighten it down. Sometimes these things are long-winded. Once I got that tight, spinning around a couple of times to get that oil going. Take this oil where your grip is right here, where your finger grip is. Put a little oil in there. Keep that thing freed up. I usually turn this over and look at it. There's a little spring in here. There's a little spring in here. I'll usually put me a little oil on that spring. I'll pop this off and look at it. This is where all your drag is. I put my little oil in that drag. Take this thing, flip it back over, put it back together. Take your drag button, put your drag button back on. Tighten her down, and you're ready to go. When I want to do a quick oil on one of these, that's all I do. Sometimes I'm not in the mood to tear them all the way down and clean them and grease them like you should. But that'll keep all your moving parts good till you get to the point to where you want to tear it down and clean it and grease it and oil it and put it back together. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for helping my channel grow. I love all you sexy people, and we'll see you on the next one. Until then, Waynoo's Rod House saying go fishing, happy RVing.